Next, let's implement the create customer feature in the customer management module that allows the admin to create a new customer. Normally a visitor comes to the website and he could register himself as a customer. So the create a new customer feature in the backend allows the admin to create a customer when needed. And in this section, we are going to do the following tasks. First, we need to code the customer form page, and then we validate the form's input using a jQuery, and then we code the create customer service class, and then we update the customer services class accordingly. This is a user interface designed for the customer form page that allows the admin to enter the customer's information to save in the database. You see, email address, full name, password, confirm password, phone number, address, city, zip code, and country. And all the fields are required, and the customer's email must be unique. You see. And when the admin clicks save button, saves the customer and return to the customer.